Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can buy XRP on your Etoro. To do so, first of all, you do have to be logged in into your Etoro account. To log in into your Etoro account, simply go into your Google Chrome browser or any browser and search for etoro.com and then input your credentials in order to log into your account. After logging into your account, it will be on the home page of Etoro. From here, simply go into the search box and just type for XRP, and you can see that this option of XRP will appear, and beside it there is a trade option as well. Right now it is not letting me trade on it because of the previous issues right now, but it may be different on your own laptop or your own device. To simply go on to trade for XRP, simply click on the trade option, and after that you will be able to trade XRP on your Etoro. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.